Yo! What's up, everybody? This is Esteban and Urban Botanica Inc. Bang. Here we go. Today's topic is beetroot powder. Beetroot powder takes care of your blood circulation. If you have high blood pressure, take beetroot powder. Energetic, gives you energy, can lower cholesterol. Saying it's nitric oxide, energy boosting. Red beets, you already know what beets do, man. Good for your blood system, blood circulation. So I have my concoction of beetroot powder here. If you are going to buy beetroot powder, do not just buy any beetroot powder, low end grade at Walmart or Rite Aid. You know, DM me if you want the real deal beetroot powder, because I vet all my supplements. Third-party laboratory testing. I go through the search engines, and you have to buy quality supplements, man. You know what I'm saying? Those A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, you know, just for yourself. Like, have a minimum that you will buy a product and then just compare it to how much you want to spend, basically. Just don't buy it because it's cheap, man. When it's cheap, it ain't going to work. There's a lot of fillers, additives, and it's not going to do the job. So, DM me if you want the real deal beetroot powder, man. Urban Botanica Inc. through the IG or email or whatever the hell. 1 teaspoon, 8 ounces of purified water, no tap. And today, for the first time, I have a live testimony of a person near and dear to me that has been taking the beetroot powder for over 2 years. I didn't even know. I told him about it a long time ago. I haven't even been taking it for a long time, but between beetroot powder, hazelnuts, avocados on the daily, salads, and a regimen of exercise and diet, I finally taken my cholesterol down to a below 200 level, and I will show those facts on part 2 of this video because I can't even make it long. Viewers, I know y'all want everything short within a minute. Sorry, I can't do it within a minute. So now introducing, lo and behold, Brother Lou. As soon as he gets here, I don't know how long it's gonna take him. So I'm saying, just for how long you've been taking it, and
I've been taking beet powder for about 2 years, and it does work. It gives you that stamina and what you need. You can also get rid of your statins, you wean off your statins, but you got to keep them in the loop. But it does work. Stay healthy.
All right, there it is, man. For real. Beetroot powder. It tastes like dirt. Peace.